Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this colorful and delicious hummus bowl. For this, I am using olive oil, pepper, my spice mix, tomatoes, eggs, red cabbage, chickpeas, salt, eggplant, cilantro, and hummus. I'm going to start with seasoning the chickpeas. For that, heat some olive oil over low to medium heat. Add chickpeas and season it with salt and your favorite spice mix. Make sure all the chickpeas have some spice on them and cook it for about 5 minutes over medium heat. Keep stirring every minute or so to avoid it from burning. While I am moving on to cutting the veggies, I am going to put the chickpeas in a preheated oven of 220 Celsius for maximum 10 minutes. I'm doing that to get them a bit more crunchy, but putting it in the oven is optional. Cut the vegetables. I cook the eggplants and tomatoes along with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper until the tomatoes were caramelized and the eggplants were soft. Now it's time to assemble it, and I'm honestly using a deep plate for aesthetic reasons, but it's all good. You can use whatever is available to you, whether that is a plate or a bowl. I love seeing you guys your recreations of the recipes I make, so if you decide to give this a try, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Amma's Kitchen. And here I'm adding a bit of the spice mix to the eggs just for an extra pop of color. And there you have it, a simple and delicious hummus plate or bowl. If you liked this video, you might like this sushi bowl recipe or this amazing salad. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.